So now you have designed your beautiful slideshow for your presentation, keeping in mind that you do not want to put all the information that you're going to present on the slides, because the slides are more to support your speech, not give your speech. That's what your recording will do. But if you're going to be having these slides, it will be good to have some notes on your slide so you know what you want to say on each slide during your presentation. And for the purpose of this assignment, it will allow me to know which slides go with which part of your speech. So how do you get to the notes? How do you add notes onto a PowerPoint or a Google slide? Well, I'm going to show you the PowerPoint first. There are two ways to do that. One way is to go to the bottom of the screen below your slide, and you will see like notes, comments, and a couple other little things. Just click on the notes icon here, and it's going to open up a little box. Now, as you see, I have something written here because this was for a project I did this last semester for one of my classes I'm taking at BSU. And here are my notes already written out that go with this slide. Now for you, all you need to do is take your rough draft that you submitted to me and that you used to present your speech in the recording, and just copy and paste the part of your rough draft or outline that goes with the slide into the notes. I won't be really grading for punctuation or for spelling or things like that. I just want to see that you know what you are going to say during this part of your presentation, and that it's easy to understand what is happening with this slide and with what you are talking about here. Now, if you don't like this view of the slide, and as you can see, you can make that smaller or bigger as you need it, but if you want to see how it would look printed, you can go to the View section of PowerPoint and select the Notes page, and this will show you the slide. You can't edit the slide here from here like you can on the other part, but you can edit the notes. So you can create your notes here, edit them or whatever, so that they are easily readable right there as they go with your slides. Now, what if you are doing Google Slides and you're not using PowerPoint? It's a little bit easier here. There's only one step really to do. So you have your PowerPoint slide made. Go to View. Make sure that Show Speaker Notes is clicked on, and you'll see the notes appear down here. And again, you can make this bigger or smaller by dragging this around here so that you can add your notes for that particular slide and save that. So when you download it, it will download with all the notes in it into the PowerPoint that you will submit to me. So if you have any questions, be sure to reach out to me, and hopefully this video helps you understand how to create the notes section on your PowerPoint slides.